Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload a video through YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Create button in the top right corner. Click Upload Videos from the drop-down menu that appears. An Upload Videos dialog opens. Click the Select Files button to browse your computer. Once your file is chosen, you'll land on the Details tab where you can add your video information. Type your video title in the title field. For this example, I'm using Weekend Hiking Trip Vlog. Below that, add a description. I'm typing hiking as a keyword description here. Scroll down and select whether your video is made for kids. I'm clicking no, it's not made for kids. Click Show More to expand the additional options section. When you're ready, click Next to move to the Video Elements tab. Click Next again to skip through to the Checks tab. Click Next one more time to reach the visibility settings. Choose your visibility option and click Publish to upload your video. A Video Publish Confirmation dialog appears showing your upload is complete. Your video starts processing as soon as you hit Publish, but it won't be live until processing finishes. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on the video length and resolution. You can close the browser and the upload will continue in the background. If you need to edit any details after publishing, go back to your Content tab in YouTube Studio, find the video, and click the pencil icon to make changes. The audience setting can't be changed once the video is published, so make sure you've selected the correct option for whether it's made for kids before you publish. And that's how to upload a video through YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.